So, good morning everyone. Module 7, Lesson 3, Intellectual Property Right and Use of Digital Materials. So, that's my topic for today's teach-you. Lesson outcomes. Identify the example of intellectual property rights in educational setting. Define copyright. Cite consequence when copyright laws were violated. So, intellectual property right. Intellectual property protection is important for fostering innovation. Intellectual property, according to World Intellectual Property Organization or WIPO, refers to creation of mind, such as invention, literary and artistic work, design and symbol, name and image in commerce. So, kaning intellectual property right is muna nag-protect sa mga tao o sa kaning work o WIPO na nag-protect sa mga invention sa mga tao nga sundog or copy. So, according to Republic Act 8293, this act defined intellectual property to include copyright and related rights, trademarks and service mark, geographic indication or industrial design, patents, layout, design, and integrated circuit, and protection of undisclosed information. So kaning app is muna nag-protect sa mga tao or sa mga create of design na ginasundog. So nanay batas para na pwede na makulong ang isa ka tao kung kanina butang or bagay na imong ginasundog sa nimo na ginaka-copy. Copyright. The first legal right given to the owner in the original work for intellectual property. These work are original intellectual creation of literacy and artistic domain protected from the moment of their creation, which includes the following: books, pamphlets, articles, and others writing. Kanina ko nga basang example is muna ang mga ginabuhat original sa mga tao na dapat ilhaning kanina example is muna ang original na dapat din ito ay kapihon sa kapihon. 2. Periodical and newspaper. Lecture, sermon, address, decision prepared for oral delivery whether or not reduced in writing of other material form. 4. Letters. Dramatic or dramatical music composition, choreographic works, entertainment and dub show. Mystical composition without words, work of drawing, painting, architecture, sculpture, engraving, lithography, other works of art, model for design works of art. Original ornamental design for models were articles of manufacture whether or not registrable as an industrial design and other works of applied arts. Illustration, maps, plan, sketches, chart, and three-dimensional work related to geographic, topography, architecture, or science. Drawing or classic works of scientific or technical character. Photographic works including works produced by a process analogs to photography, lattice, slides. Next, audiovisual works and cinematographic works and works produced by a process analogs to cinematography of any process for making audiovisual recording, pictorial illustration, and advertisement, computer programs, and other literary, scholarly, scientific, artistic works. So, when the copyright belong, maingon na to na ang copyright ay isang bagay kung masasabi natin na ang kanyang copyright ay isang bagay kung yung nabanggit kong mga design is ginagaya or ginasundog. Copyright refers to the work o invento ng tao. Yung mga nasabi ko ay invento ng mga tao kung saan hindi siya pwedeng gayahin kung walang proseso ng honor or credit citation man lang. Next is copyright infringement. The use of work without permission where the copyright holder has exclusive right to reproduce, distribute, display, or perform the protected works or to make derivative work. So, moto ang copyright infringement is mga ginabuhat sa tao na walay permission na imong gi-copy. Tapos imo ba diyang gi-reproduce or distribute niya imong gi-display or perform na kabalo mo ka na kanang imong gi-copy is dili imo. Kung nakay kapihon dapat na ay owner nga name and na credit sa citation. Next is plagiarism. According to plagiarism is the act where the stealing someone else's work with lying about it afterwards. So stealing else work with lying about afterward. So kaning plagiarism is imong sundog na for example is plagiarism is copy nimo tapos wala nimo kanang paraphrase tapos may wala ka nag plagiarism because imo mo nang commit na imo tayo copy ka sa isa ka tawag ni articles tapos imong gipawan na wala nimo giusab kaya mura imong gi-copy so ma-cause na siya og plagiarism, turning someone work as their own. So imong giangkon na imo nang gibuhat copying words with ideas from someone else without giving credit. So moto gi-copy nimo ang mga words or ideas sa ibang tao na walay credit. Failing to put quotation in question mark. So i-copy na nimo wala ka ng mga quotation or other mga question marks. Giving incorrect information about source in quotation. So muna to. So changing words by copying the sentence structure to source without giving credit. So muna giusab yung isa ka word na imong gi-copy nga sentence tapos imong tarang structure ng pagporma tapos sa mga source na wala nimo na kayo og mga credit na pintulot. Copying so many words or ideas from a source, it makes up majority of your work whether you give credit or not. So nag-copy ni ka sa imong word tapos imong giwan na imong nang binuhat. So wala ka na kayo og credit sa mga imong gisundukan. For image, videos and music and following are considered plagiarism. Being media, especially image from other website to paste them in your own papers or pieces. So, ano yung picture? Hindi mong gi-copy sa media na especially picture. Mong gi-copy niya sa website niya, imong gi-paste, imuhan ginambuhat sa imuhang. For example, na website na kay website. Tapos imong copy ra ang picture sa ubang tao. Nya, wala kay mga credit. So, kana is considered a plagiarism. Imong gamit ang isa ka picture sa isa ka website kaya imong gipost sa imuha. Second, make a video using footage from other videos or using copyright music as a part of soundtracks. Diba? Nakawan mo sa mga mamaydi mo is mag-send mamaydi mo tapos butan yung music is na copyright infringement. Kana is matawag na siya og plagiarism. Ay copyright kay matawag na siya og plagiarism kay or copyright kay imong gigamit ang music na ulay name sa artist nga imong gi-copy. So mawa na siya og copyright infringement or plagiarism. Same nga sa plagiarism na sila kalayan. Perform another person copyright music. So kani performing another person copyright music. So imong perform sa uban nga tao tapos isundog rapot nimo ang gibuhat sa isa ka ubang tao na ang music nila. So it means that is plagiarism. Composing a piece of music that borrows heavily from other compositions. So dapat if that music magbaro ka music dapat na ay tawag niya Ugoon jud na kana is nay one sa honor. So plagiarism and copywriting plagiarism refers to copying the work another of claiming one's idea without proper attribution. So kani ang plagiarism is yung copy ang work sa uban or yung claiming nimo na imong ideas without mga pahintulot or credit. Plagiarism, violation of the right of copyright holder. So, ano to? Plagiarism na violation of right of copyright holder and ethical violation. Copyright infringement, copying one's work without obtaining permission. So, copyright infringement means one work without obtaining permission. So, wala kayo pahintulot sa yung kasundog na word o mga other article or art sa tao. Violation of right is author. Violation of the right of the author and legal violation. So that's all my topic for today. So that is my topic for today. Thank you for listening. Module 7 Lesson 3 Intellectual Property Rights on the development of use of digital materials. Thank you and please like and share.